In a busy corner of the city where people constantly came and went, stood a small cafe filled with the irresistible aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Inside, there was a waiter, but not just any waiter. His name was Julian. That day, everything was as usual. Customers were chatting, enjoying their coffee. Julian walked casually from table to table, making sure everyone got their orders. But then, in an instant, everything changed. The cafe door burst open, slamming hard against the wall. A man in a black jacket and a black ski mask stormed in. Pointing a gun, hand over all the money in the register, he shouted. Panic filled the cafe. Customers froze in fear. At that moment, Julian knew this was his time to act. With lightning speed, Julian leaped forward, ready to fight the armed robber. But Julian was faster. With a swift move, he managed to take down the robber. The customers erupted in cheers, cheering on the heroic cat. Moments later, the police arrived, securing the criminal. Everyone cheered, but all eyes were on Julian. A beautiful girl stepped forward and gave him a warm kiss. "Julian, you're truly a hero," a customer exclaimed. That day, he was no longer just Julian, the cafe waiter. He became known as Julian, the furry hero.
Julian Motion.